Alright guys, shout out everyone. Welcome to Chic Mark Vlog for today's video guys. Search of Domingo curry. Okay guys, today first our ingredients, the spice to make the flavor guys. Of course, ginger, garlic, onion, and then curry powder, paprika powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, fennel seeds, caraway little bit, and cardamom and cloves. And of course, cayenne pepper and chili powder guys. Let's go. Yan, kaya natin mga lambot. Daming taba-taba niya guys. Sarap niyan. Tuloyin sa kayong kanyang pot. Punong-puno guys. Right? Pero kukunti naman yan pag naluto. Patatakpan natin siya para mag-moist. Hindi siya masulit. Right? Yan guys. Automatic yung takip ko guys. Pizza plate. Madumi ng tray. Right.